buenas tardes. So many people are like, oh my God, but like nature, you get to be like one with everything and like it feels so peaceful. Okay, no, pendeja, listen to me. Okay, nature wants three things: feed, fight, or fuck. Y la neta, I don't want to be a part of any one of those three. So I'm going to go home. I'm going to have my champurrados and tamales. I'm going to get verbally abused by my abuela. And I'm going to be okay. I'll be safe. I'll be home. But anyway, Representative Latinos Against Spooky Shit. And mira, my brother in brown Christ. No entiendo why you're out here. I don't understand why you're just chilling out here with World War Z happening around you. So my recommendation for this one, you're going to call somebody's tia. La Loquita. You know the one. She's going to be a little bit of like, she's got La Santa Muerte there. She's got a whole bunch of like different figures and tarot cards y todo eso. But guess what? She's a high-level cleric, and she's subclassed into Mexorcist, okay, which is what you need. So she's going to come out. She's going to go ahead and have her bandolier of chanclas, Vicks, bunch of different things. Her main weapon is going to be a broom with a chancla that's been blessed by Fabuloso, tequila, and of course, El Vicks and some menudo. It's been dipped, it's been hardened, it's been fortified. And you're going to leave her out there like Arnold Schwarzenegger con el depredador with the predator. You're just going to hope that they do their best, okay? So Dios los bendiga, best of luck. Take care of yourselves. If you heard it, no, you didn't. My credit score is not high enough to be fucking around like this.